Good morning, student. In our today's English class, we will be doing course book, Unit 3, Lesson 3, poem Retired. This poem is written by Ian Christopher Smith. In this poem, the poet is an astronaut and he is sitting on a chair and he is thinking of the days when he used to shuttle from move from one planet to another, from the moon to the other planets. He was tired after his voyages. The shuttles from planet to planet, from star to star. Now the poet is saying that he is tired of shuttling from or moving from one planet to another, of his journey. Voyage means the journey, the space journey, from one star to another. In the late evening, he would sway in his rocking chair and watch the moon through the trees. Now he is sitting on the rocking chair, and sway means he is swinging his chair and he is looking at the moon from the window between the trees there. I was there once, he thought. I stood on that globe. Now it is like a football shining in space. The poet is saying that once he was there on the moon, and now that moon looks like a big football shining there in the sky. And he could hardly believe it that in his helmet and in his bulky space suit he'd steered that far dust. So he just could not believe that once upon a time he was there in that heavy suit, space suit, in that helmet, moving around on the moon, and with his feet the dust on the moon was moving, the dust with his feet was moving from here to there. So he's saying that I cannot believe myself that once upon a time I was there on the moon. Now with this we have finished the chapter.